If you are a dungeon master, especially a new one, then you know it's a tough gig. Well, today I am giving you 5 truths about being a dungeon master that I wish I had known when I first started. The first thing I wish I learned faster was that it's not you versus the players. So many DMs think that it's their job to try and kill their PCs every single session, but it's also their story. After all, there would be no story without them. Let them shine, and only challenge them when the pacing and narrative calls for it. Every story has highs and lows. Remember, you're not their enemy. Just think of yourself as the game console. You just recite the rules and let them take over from there. The second thing I wish I'd known is that the rules are not everything. Sometimes it's okay to let your players do the thing that is cool. Give them that extra 5 feet of movement if it means an amazing moment. The players will always remember the moments that their character stood out, not the moments you remembered the right rule. Let them be cool. Third is, you don't need to script every single line. When I first started DMing, I was writing whole damn novels. I thought I was so cool and so well prepared, but guess what? Nobody wants to come to a table and listen to you read at them and play make-believe with yourself. Make your PCs part of the narrative and let them build the story. Plan out what you need to do, but trust me, it's much easier simply knowing the direction your story is going and having a goal in mind for the end of the session rather than trying to think of every single stepping stone along the way. But if that's how you want to do it, hey, more power to you. The fourth thing that I wish I had known is that it's okay to need a moment to look something up if you're not sure about a rule or a stat block or something like that. You are not infallible, and remember that the people around the table or on that VTT are your friends. They understand that DMing is hard. There are so many rules to remember. Conversely, it's also okay to say, for now, let's do X, I'll find out later. You are the DM, you call the shots. And lastly, if your players keep coming back, you're doing something right. This is probably the biggest thing all DMs should remind themselves of. It's so easy to get burnt out and feel like you're failing as a DM. I know it was and is a struggle for me. But at the end of the day, you are playing a game with friends who are simply appreciative of being there with you. Relax, enjoy the story, share some laughs, and you'll get better and better. I hope these 5 tips helped you in your DMing. Leave your own tips in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Feed your Displacer Beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.